Hey guys, Tony, good morning. Um, Damn, I think we're going back to 53K. Unfortunately, I think we're gonna keep dropping a little bit lower. I think what happened on the news recently, I actually thought that because, Jay Powell said that inflation isn't transitory. I actually thought that Bitcoin was gonna keep rallying. Turns out, nope, it's actually gonna drop a little bit further. Um, we are we are we essentially broke 56,480, which is a pretty big support zone. We did not end up breaking at a trend. Keep in mind, we retested this three times, so we essentially created a triple top on Bitcoin. I would be shorting this right now, to be honest. That's what I would be doing. I would be shorting this all the way down to possibly 54K or 53, or 53K. Um, I think we're heading lower. The daily right now, we are barely gonna close another bearish. We're gonna close another bearish daily, possibly today or tomorrow. And it just kind of sucks because I had multiple instances of longs on big on Bitcoin on Forex, and I got stopped out every single time. I was up a couple. I was up a couple. $100 like consistently, and I just kept getting stopped out because I thought we were gonna break trend, as of right now, it looks like we're not. It looks like we're not gonna break trend, and I would be 100% shorting Bitcoin right now, all the way down to possibly 54K, if not even lower. Um, we're already seeing candles. Look at that. We're already seeing a full bear candle close under, 56,480. So, it sucks because I actually really wanted us to keep running to the upside, but it looks like we're gonna keep dropping. And the same thing for Ethereum, right? I had a long right here. I got stopped out at 45.37 because of that drop. We didn't actually break, you actually did break support. I mean, sorry, resistance, right? You actually did break resistance. I actually thought we were gonna hit a little bit under 5K sometime today or tomorrow. That's what I thought, right? Or November, the late November, early December. I thought we were gonna hit somewhere over here. Um, we might keep running on Ethereum. I don't know. It's a very weird market right now, right? If we do it like right now, the hour, we actually just broke on downside on the hour, so I can definitely see us go all the way down to 43.84 possibly. It's just, like I said, it's a super weird market, man, and it's one of those things where I kind of, hate guessing sometimes. Oops, that's the wrong way to go. Pretty sure I did that wrong. So it's from high, low, high. How is it again? From low, high. I forgot how to use the trend base on. There you go. Yeah, I'd say next stop is gonna be 4.3. Yeah, it's gonna be 4.384. I mean, I would say that's probably an easy guess that I think we're gonna keep dropping and drop to this support zone on Ethereum. But even on the 4 hour, right? Even the 4 hour looks like we're gonna close bullish again. So you might bounce. I don't know. It's super weird because the daily on both Ethereum and Bitcoin look extremely horrible, and it's one of those things where I'm just kind of like, well, we have to wait for confirmation. But it just it does look like right now we are gonna keep dropping to the downside. Unfortunately, that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. I would not be surprised to see Bitcoin back at 53K, um, or somewhere along the lines of if it doesn't bounce from here, you're dropping all the way down to like 54.97, so 55K almost exactly if you don't bounce from these lows of 56-ish K, right? So, but as of right now, I am bearish. I have to say that I do think we're going to keep dropping. Unfortunately, you did not break, right? You did not break trend, and it's been pretty sucky. It's been pretty consistent on the upside, right? Look at that. So we'll do this, right? Every single time, test of trend, no break. Test of trend, no break. Test of trend, no break. So, and you actually did not go over previous highs of 59.36, which is the previous high right here. You did not break that, so I'm inclined to think that we're gonna drop all the way down, unfortunately. So I'll see you guys later. I always hate making these videos because I actually want crypto to keep running to the upside, but if I had to make a decision, I would probably short Bitcoin right now. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.